Question 9, Mental Maths Tuesday. We have to find the average of these four numbers. And what does average mean? Well, it means the typical thing. For example, if you were playing a game and you won 10 times the first day, and you won 10 times the next day, and you won 10 times the next day, and 10 times, and so on. What would your average score? What's your typical score? 10. That's okay because they're all the same. But these are all different. So in order to get the average of different numbers, what you have to do is you have to add them all together first. So let's add these numbers all together first. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 7 is 16. So 16 is the total score, but now we have to divide it by the number that you have. So you've 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4 numbers. So we're going to divide it by that. We're going to divide it by 4 and see what the norm is, or the typical score. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. So the average of these four numbers is 4. It's kind of in the middle, or the typical score. So 4 is our answer.